our Street School Eco Committee.
Here's our recipe for healthy lentil and carrot soup.
Here are our ingredients.
Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein and fibre. They are an excellent source of B vitamins, iron, magnesium, potassium and zinc. Carrots, onions and garlic also contain vitamins and antioxidants and are greatly beneficial to our health.
Rinse the lentils and soak them in cold water while you prepare the veg.
Heat the olive oil in a large pan. Add the onion and garlic and cook on a low to medium heat for 10 minutes until the onions are soft.
Add the potato, carrot, stock, cube and water. Drain the lentils and add them.
Bring to a boil and reduce the heat. Cover stirring occasionally to ensure that the lentils aren't sticking.
Nutritious, delicious and sustainable.